Saber-rattling by China turns the market somewhat weaker on Thursday. In the outside equities, they were hit with a double whammy of a poor jobs number once again beating analysts' expectations, along with a New York Times article that showed China is vowing stricter security on Hong Kong. That quickly turned investors away from equities as well as other currencies like the euro, which we saw bought yesterday, and put them all back to the safe haven of the US dollar. With the US dollar starting to climb higher, that started to pair energy prices in mid-afternoon trading. Now over in the grain sector, that's where soybeans and corn were lower, wheat higher, although soybeans had the better data. USDA export sales were out early Thursday morning, and they showed soybean sales up nearly 100% week to week, with China a notable buyer. Over on the wheat side, it was actually down nearly 14% week to week, but really what helped wheat through much of the day was the fact that European and Black Sea growing regions continue to experience near drought-type conditions. As well, the winter wheat tour going through Kansas virtually this year continues to show that it's not the greatest crop they've had over the last several years. December new crop corn futures will settle at $3.33 even. November new crop soybean futures will settle at $8.45.5, while July Chicago wheat futures will settle $5.16 even, and July Kansas City wheat futures will settle $4.54.5. Over the livestock trade, they saw both sides of unchanged in cattle and in hogs. In terms of USDA export sales, it was another dismal report with back-to-back weeks of marketing year lows for the beef, and pork not even getting actual net sales, but net reductions due to a large cancellation of pork by China. June live cattle will settle $98.80, August feeder cattle will settle $1.2887, and June lean hogs will settle $59.35. That is a check here of your closing markets on this Thursday, May the 21st. I'm Clay Patton. Have a great afternoon, and be sure to stop back by tomorrow as we take a look at the closing week market numbers.